some rosemary. Yeah, it's like a convection oven, so it's not like a fryer where you fry it in oil. It cooks using superheated air, and it like circulates it around. Oh, we're gonna finish a Costco size thing of olive oil. This is exciting. It's always exciting when that happens. So I've got some Spanish smoked paprika, pretty tasty. Actually finished, I know, insane. Some cayenne pepper, a bit of spice, onion powder, garlic powder, some rosemary, and then we're just gonna toss this all up. I could use a big spoon too. That's probably a better idea. Olive oil. Popeye's girlfriend went to Costco to buy extra virgin olive oil and some canned spinach for Popeye. Ooh. Yum! Check it out. Gotta buy that spinach in bulk for Popeye. Yup, exactamundo. Let's see. I think that's enough. So I'm gonna use this blackening spice, which is paprika, sea salt. Oh, that's what I need. Garlic, onion, and some sugar. Maybe I'll leave this. Rotisserie chickens and forget the oil. Honestly, relatable. I have to write a list. All the stuff you find at Costco. Oh my god, I just went to Costco and I spent way too much money. It was my first time going to Costco, like, unsupervised in a very long time. Maybe ever. It was bad. But good. It was fun. Usually I have to be supervised when I go into Costco. Everything's just it's just such a good deal, you know? Costco can be a tough video game. Alright, these look very tasty. They smell incredible. They smell so good. You like that at PetSmart? You always buy the pups new toys because they're spoiled? Oh, yeah, I have to be careful because I like to spoil Dexter too. Alright, I might have too many potatoes. I might have to do this in like maybe. Okay, we're gonna try. I guess we'll find out.